Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open up two files. And in Photoshop, you are able to open up AI files. Let's say you wanted to do an interesting graphic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up this world, open in Photoshop by right-clicking. And it's just going to ask me a question about the AI file if I want to open it in what color mode. In this case, I'm just going to leave it grayscale. And I'm going to open it. And there we have the world. The next one, I want to open up this grass image. So right-clicking again and opening up with Photoshop. So the objective here is I would like to use this shape basically on this grass shape. So what I can do is I can use this. So I can actually drag this over into the grass shape. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I can drag it over, or I can select it by highlighting everything, Command A. Copy is the shortcut Command C, as you know, and then going into this layer and dropping it, Command V, and there is my world layer now and the grass, which I'm going to unlock. So I have these two layers. However, I can see that I need to adjust the size because I can see that it is cut off here. So I can once again edit and transform and scale. However, I can also use this shortcut Command T on this world layer. And I'm going to zoom out so I can see the entire image, and I can see the corner here, and I want to just fit it within this portion here. And once I'm ready to, I just press return or enter. Now I'm going to create a mask, but this grass will be in the shape of this portion here. So what I'm going to use for this is it's called the magic wand to pick up color. So if I click on the magic wand and select this black portion here, it will only select a portion of the black portion basically. Now, if I want to select every other portion, I could hold down the Shift key and start clicking all the portions, which I don't really have to because all the colors are the same, right? So I could just go to my select menu at the top, and I'm just going to look for similar. So select menu similar, which it will select all of the black portions that are the same for me. Now that I have this selected, I'm going to go back to this layer now. And in order for me to create a mask, at the bottom of the layers panel, next to the FX icon is add layer mask. If I click onto that, it did create a mask, as I can see here. However, my top layer is still on. So if I turn it off, that layer, which I actually don't need anymore, then you can see that this layer now, the grass, is using the map basically that I used with my magic wand. So that is how to create a layer mask with the magic wand.